Spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. Trust you guys are doing okay. So we're back. Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, please stand up and step forward and stand in front of the congregation and let us hear what you gotta say. Now, today we got Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa telling us that he has certain sons with very weird characters. Emphasis on very weird characters. You know what I'm saying? This fatherhood sonship things in the Lord, man, they can get very complicated at times, man. They can get very complicated. But let us hear what the good prophet got to say. Remember to like, share, subscribe. My name is Bliss, and I'll see you on the next one.
Say this
and
to
I'm
most
out.
fathers out there that are listening to me. Fathers, hear me. When you have sons that are always telling you that they are not serving you for the sake of money, believe them not. Whoever comes to your ministry and he says, I'm going to do voluntary work, I don't want to be paid, make sure you pay that one first. Wisdom. This is wisdom. I have certain sons with very weird characters that I've asked and begged and I've said, why do you keep bothering me? Look at you, look at me, look at your character, look at my character, look at my preference, look at your appetites, look at my... We are different. But there are many fathers there like you. Why bother me? Still, they keep following. Exactly
There are fathers out there doing exactly what you do. Why not go there?
They don't want. They don't want. So, okay. So
what is it on me that you also desire? I want everything. So what are you doing?
What is needed is simply association. Association. This message is not so that I keep you close to me, don't ever think of leaving me. No, that's not the issue. That's not the issue. If I'm to tell you what I'd actually planned to do in terms of this father-son thing, you'll be surprised. It did not mean for this, my darling here. Ha ha.